Guys, how are you? Welcome to Digital Plains. We've already started climbing to Rohtang Pass. As you can see, the roads are pretty narrow. One side is having deep gorges, uh, roads full of dirt and water, and it's raining as well as foggy. Okay, this is the highway from Manali to Leh, and this is the initial climbing part towards Rohtang, Rohtang Pass. It's very interesting as well as very risky. Mainly, the roads are in a very poor condition. You'll find at times you'll find streets crossing. At times you'll find muddy roads, and the fog, the rain. Anyway, I'm trying my best to show you a glimpse of what I went through while climbing to the Rohtang on the way to Leh. Very sorry about the quality of the video. This is mainly due to the rain and fog, which almost masked my camera. You can see the drips of water. So I started this trip from Manali. You would have seen the last two of those clips which I have uploaded. I hope you are enjoying it. So I was doing this trip some time back, and I started from Manali on a bullet. We were actually we are a group of 30 to 40 bikers. Uh, you'll find a lot of vendors or a lot of operators doing planning these kind of trips from Manali to Leh and back to Manali, mainly on Royal Enfield bullets. So if you're interested, you'll be able to find them on Facebook or any of the other online Google or any other platforms. I'm sure you'll be interested and eager to do one of these kind of trips. And since the tunnel opened, the Atari tunnel, I believe that is called Atari tunnel. Since the Atari tunnel is opened, I'm not very sure whether this path is open for bikers or any other travelers. Best part of having the fog is you don't see those gorges on the other side. It was not the case when I was coming back to Manali. It was all clear and clean. There was no fog. Then I realized how deep those gorges are. With the fog, you don't even realize. And also the rain during the climb made it more tough. You can you'll be able to notice it is a very risky ride. One side is a deep gorges, other side you'll find vehicles crossing, and the width of the roads are very narrow roads. Again, at this point in time, the rain is still decent, not very heavy rain. While I was descending to Kilong, that is on the other side of the Rohtang Pass, it was raining heavily. And it is cold. Though wearing all kind of jackets, you are wet. So I was talking about the bullet trips from Manali. You will find mainly bullets for these trips, and charges are very decent for 15 days. Normally, this takes around 10 to 15 days approximately, and most of these trips you start from Manali, you go all the way to Leh, and from Leh you may going to those lakes which are very famous, and also to Kadungla Pass, which is the highest motorable road in the world, which is at around 18,000 plus feet. I'm planning to upload those videos as well in future soon. Again, another stretch of muddy roads, and you can see the gorges on the left side. Like I said, it's not very scary at this point because of fog. You don't realize how deep are they. And you don't see any kind of protection on the left side. You lose control. Okay, thank you for enjoying my video. I'll come back with more of these. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.